Hey gorgeous fam, welcome back again to this channel. It's a girl here from Miss Breezy, and I'm here again with another video. Okay, welcome back again to another vlog. If this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to hit the red button that says subscribe and be part of this family. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So guys, welcome back again to another vlog. This is going to be a vlog. Yeah, hubby just called me that I should get ready. We are eating outside today, so I just decided to pick up my camera to start the vlog here. Yeah, because since morning your girl was so lazy. Since morning I was so lazy to pick up my camera to vlog. Although I wanted to vlog this morning, I just thought I don't have anything to do in the vlog, so I didn't just pick up my camera to vlog since he just called me to like get ready. We are going out tonight to eat outside, so he's not back from work yet, but he will be back very soon. So he asked me to get ready. We are going out once he's back, so I said I should start this vlog right now. So right now I'm going to go and do my makeup before he come back, because I want to be true with my makeup before he come back, so that he will know that I'm already getting ready. You know, men, they don't want to wait. They don't want you to waste their time, most especially when it comes to makeup. They know that we take a lot of time to do makeup, and me personally, I take a lot of time to do makeup, guys. But I'm going to be very fast because he will be back very soon. He called me like 1 hour ago, but I was just like still relaxing, because all when I'm sleeping, you know, when I'm sleeping, that is the only time I have to rest. Like, that is the only time I have for myself. If not, when he's awake, I'm going to be shouting, oh, I leave there, oh, I leave there. So that's it, guys. Right now I want to go and quickly do my makeup. Okay, I don't think I'll be recording it, I don't know yet, but let's try. I'm almost done with my makeup. Yeah, it's remaining for me to fix the lashes. Yeah, that's what's remaining right now. Nice. How is it looking? I'm not a professional. I'm not really good in makeup, but I know I'm trying my best. I'm better than before. Yeah. Really, I'm better than before. I don't even know how to draw my brow. So I have put on my lashes, and I fix shorter lashes. These ones are not my regular lashes. Yeah, my regular lashes are longer than this, but I just decided to fix this because now night that day I'm not gonna do my hair like this before I'll see. Ah, my goodness. Wow, girl, so beautiful. Beautiful. I'll see you guys when I'm fully done to show you guys my final look. Okay, I don't really have much to add to this. Maybe I'll just put lip gloss. So I'll see you guys. So guys, welcome back again. This is the final look of my makeup. Yeah, I'm looking at myself. Okay. This is the final look of my makeup. Yeah, it's almost 9 p.m. right now, so hubby just came back and is getting ready for us to go right now. Yeah, so he's not really dark. Yeah, it's not really dark yet, but inside house is kind of dark. Yeah, 9 p.m. you know how it should be. So let me show you guys what I'm wearing. It's something just very simple. Yeah, just trouser and this top. Yeah, it's transparent. It's summer period, you see. That's it.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
You like it? Wow, it's so beautiful. Don't put your leg, okay? No, come this place. Yeah, come, let's go. Guys, right now we just got home not quite long ago. Yeah, I just bathed all when and hubby is bathing right now. Me myself, I'm just going ahead right now to take off my makeup and then bait. Look how this latches is very short. It looks so natural, like it looked like my normal latches. It didn't even look as if I fixed latches at all. And what? Voila. Let's stay together. So the latches is just so nice. It didn't even look as if I fixed latches. So you're laughing now. Thank you so much for watching the video here. I'm going to be ending it here, and I'll see you all in my next video. Okay, I'm so tired now. We walked, and Owen was very, like, when I mean walk that will take us about like 30 minutes to get home. I think we used about 1 hour before we walked, about 1 hour before we got home. Anyway, it's good. When he got home, he was sweating, so I just bathed him immediately. So I'm about to go and pet him to sleep now. I myself, I'm going to bathe first. Yeah, after bathing, I'll just go ahead and pet him to sleep. You see what this boy is doing? Pressing my breast. I'll see you all in my next video. Okay, for now, stay safe. Bye.